This is exercise number 9. So here you can see it is length is 140 mm, width is 80 mm, height is 20 plus 60, that is height is also 80 mm. In order to draw this isometric drawing, first we have to see whether we can draw from front view, right view or top view. So it will be easy if you draw from the top plane. If we draw from the top plane, we can see this portion. Okay, in 2 steps we can complete this exercise. Select part, select OK, select top plane, select top plane, top view, sketch, take rectangle command, draw one rectangle in this way. Origin point must be in the center. Make dimension. From top view we can see length and width, 140 into 80. Length as 140, width is 80. Next we have to make this origin point exactly in the center. Select origin point and this line, make it 140 divided by 2. Next this horizontal line to origin point, make dimension as 80 divided by 2, that is 40 mm. Now take circle command, draw one circle here and one more circle here. Make dimension as shown in the figure, that is diameter is he has given 20 and distance between this corner to circle it is 15 mm. From this right corner to the circle it is again 15 mm. Same dimensions for this circle also. Make dimension, diameter of the circle is 20 mm. Enter 20. Next select circle and this line. The distance between this circle and line is 15 mm. Again select circle and horizontal line, it is again 15 mm. See here diameter 20, distance from circle to the line 15, and again from circle to the line is 15. Repeat the same dimensions for this circle also. Diameter 20, distance from circle to the horizontal line 15, and circle to the vertical line, make the dimension as 15. Now select isometric view, extruded boss base. Base height thickness is 20 mm. Enter 20 and select OK. Next select top face. We have to draw this circle. At a time we have to draw both the circles. One is diameter 60 and diameter 40, and we have to do extruded boss base height of 60 mm. Let's see how to do this. Select top face, top view, sketch, circle. From origin point draw one circle and one more circle from the origin point. Make dimension, circle diameter is 60, outer diameter circle is 60 mm, internal diameter circle is 40 mm. Internal diameter circle is 40 mm. Now select isometric view, extruded boss base, extrude a height of 60 mm as shown in the sketch. Select OK. This is the 9th exercise.